What is up guys, welcome to another short tutorial. First of all, if you guys not subscribed to my channel, then hit the subscribe button below. In this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can make your folder hidden or invisible in the Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and Windows 10. So guys, let's get started. First of all, go to my computer and here I want to make this folder invisible, which is basically a season Sherlock season 1. And first go to the properties and check this hidden option, apply changes to this folder only. Okay. Now your folder is lighter in color, and then go to the control panel. Here go to the folder options and go to the view and change the option do not show hidden file, folder or drives and apply. Okay, now your folder is completely invisible. As you can see, there is no Sherlock folder. And how we can bring it back? So go to the folder options and view, show hidden folder, file and drives, apply. Okay, now here is the folder, but it is lighter in color. So go to the properties, uncheck this hidden folder and apply changes to this folder only. Okay, now your folder is completely back with the dark color. Hopefully you like this video. Do not forget to like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys next time.